सभी को सादर नमस्कार और प्रणाम. Such a wonderful evening today that we have such a great August gathering. Why we have gathered here? Because more than 3 lakh people have pledged their eyes. They want to donate their organs. We have the data with us. We are also pleasantly surprised that in 14 days, 3 lakh people sent out messages and filled out forms saying that we want to donate eyes. And we have thousands more who have said we want to donate all organs. So I would like to put before all the August gathering today that this was the major plank on which we are all meeting today, that in the last 14 days, 3 lakh people have pledged their eyes across India. I would like to, acknowledge the fact that today we have our guest of honor, Lieutenant General Shri S.M. Mehta ji, CEO of the Hans Foundation, along with us today, who are doing immense work in blindness control. We have Dr. Radhika Tandon ji from AIMS. We have Dr. Prashant Garg from LVPI. We also have many luminaries amongst us today in the field of ophthalmology and especially in the cornea field. We have Dr. Pawan Sthapak, who is the convener of Kamba, who will be introduced again by the team. And we have Dr. Bharat Thakur, sir, the Kamba movement. And he is the medical director of Madhav Eye Bank of Karnal. Since 2006, this Madhav Eye Bank is running, and they have collected more than 9,900 cornea. Warm welcome, Dr. Thakur, sir. Dr. Vasudev Bansal, who is also the Kamba convener for the North Zone. And we have Dr. Satpal Sharma, the cornea surgeon from Haryana, Narwana. They have recently started, and we are very glad that both of them have joined us today in this meeting. We also have Dr. Sujata Dwivedi, the medical director of Chandigarh Madhav Eye Bank, which has collected more than 300 cornea since 2011. They are working. Dr. Sujata Dwivedi is a LVPI fellow and very, very particular about quality and the kind of work that they're doing there in Chandigarh was very appreciable. We warmly welcome you, Dr. Sujata ji. Next, we have with us Dr. Ayush Tandon, who is from Jabalpur, working in Devji Eye Bank. Dr. Ayush ji is again LVPI fellow and is also the Kamba convener of Jabalpur district. Since 1992, the Devji Hospital, in which Devji Eye Bank is functioning, where Dr. Pawan Sthapak sir is the medical superintendent. More than 1,584 cornea have been collected. A warm welcome, Dr. Ayush ji, for joining us today in this program. May I now welcome from Nashik, Shri Guruji Rugnalaya in Nashik, which has recently started in 2018. And since 2018, they've been very, very active. They have a young, energetic cornea surgeon, Dr. Ganesh Gaikwad, and the medical director who is supportive and who is very, very facilitative, Dr. Dhananjay Deshmukh. A warm welcome to both of you as well from Nashik, both of you. A warm welcome, and we hope to see a lot more work in the tribal tracts of Maharashtra. We see from AIMS Delhi, Professor and Chief of Cornea Work, Dr. Radhika Tandon, joining us today. She'll be speaking about a very different topics today called Miracle and Dream. Very, very interesting topic. And we are also happy that Dr. Dheeraj Mohania, a scientist in the Eye Bank, is also joining us today. A warm welcome, Dr. Dheeraj, and of course, Dr. Radhika ji. She has joined us in 2016 when Kamba was launched in Constitution Club in New Delhi. So we're very, very happy that she is again joined us today. Since 1965, AIMS New Delhi is functioning. More than 33,000 cornea have been collected. And Saksham Delhi has an eye collection center, which is a mobile eye collection center. Every year, our team consisting of Mr. Lalit Anand and Mr. Gopal and many other people, they contribute along with the 4 mobile teams, at least around 300 cornea every year. A small work to the larger cause of AIMS Delhi. A warm welcome to Radhika ji and Dr. Dheeraj ji. We are happy to have you. Next, we have from Nagarcoil, Down in Tamil Nadu, we have Mr. M. Chandra Morrison, who is the iBank manager there, and more than 3,000 cornea have been collected here. And since 1998, Saksham's Kanyakumari team, Mr. Velumail, and all the Saksham team there is working very closely with Mr. Chandra Morrison in Tamil Nadu. A very warm welcome, Mr. Chandra Morrison, to this evening's program. We also have today from Surat, from Gujarat, we have Lokadrishti iBank, and Lokadrishti iBank since 1996 is being run by Dr. Praful Shiroya and his team. Dr. Praful Shiroya is an obstetrician, is a gynecologist, but he has a passion for eye donation. And he's been rock solid behind this iBank. And we have Dr. Sankit Shah, a young cornea surgeon from Surat, who has joined us today. If you see, I mean, whopping 39,000 cornea collected in Surat, which is running since 1996. And Surat has also been in the forefront during this eye donation pledging drive. They have collected more than 5,000 pledges. A warm welcome to Dr. Praful Bhai and also Dr. Sankit Bhai. Welcome. Now let us go to Dibrugarh on the east of India, in the Assam, in the hillocks. Dr. Ramesh Agarwal. Sir is a very senior surgeon who has a passion for cornea collection, and it is running since 2008. Every year 50 to 60 cornea is what they are collecting right now, but they would be happy to ramp up their work. Drishti Netralaya Dibrugarh is doing a wonderful job, not only in Assam, but they cater to the hill tracts of Arunachal Pradesh as well. So a warm welcome to Dr. Ramesh Agarwal also. Sir, बहुत आनंद है असम से आप जुड़े. And he is also the convener of East Zone of the Kamba. A warm welcome, sir. Next, I would like to warmly welcome from Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital, Dr. Rajalingam, sir, who is the superintendent of Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital in Hyderabad, and Dr. Srinivas Prasad, sir, who is a cornea surgeon. Both of them very passionate about the eye banking. Dr. Srinivas Prasad Garu has initiated a new eye bank with a specular microscope in Sarojini Devi recently, which is next. May I introduce, we have already with us Dr. Shalini ji, who is hosting us today, the cornea surgeon from Kanpur. Total cornea collected have been 613 from 2010. Now, every year, more than 70 to 80 cornea are being collected now with the help of a very active ground level team. Mr. Prashant Tiwari ji and Jaishankar Pandey ji, both of them have been very, very supportive, and Dr. Shalini Mohan ji is doing a wonderful work in cornea in Uttar Pradesh in the Kanpur area. Warm welcome to you for the Master of Ceremonies. I will not welcome you, but very nice to have you here again. We also have Dr. Gautam Paul with us, cornea surgeon from Silchar, again in Assam in the hill tracts, which has recently started in 2019. They got a specular microscope because of the support of NPCB and also from state government. And Dr. Gautam Paul, a warm welcome to you, sir. We are happy that Silchar is going to take new strides. Recently, they have organized a national conference where LVPI Bhubaneswar and many other institutes joined them. I was also there, and very, very glad that you are taking up the cornea work. A warm welcome to you. A warm welcome to Dr. Jayashree Dora from Sambalpur. The hospital is a very old hospital. The eye bank is functioning since 2005. Now she is also the medical superintendent of the hospital. A warm welcome, Dr. Jayashree Dora. She has volunteered in Netrakumbh also. Very, very energetic person. We would want to see how we can ramp up the work of Sambalpur's eye bank. Thank you for joining us. May I also introduce Dr. Anil Radhakrishnan, who is the, again, LVPI fellow and from Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi. They have been our backbone in the Kamba and Saksham work in Kerala. A very, very energetic person. Very recently, because of the blessings of Amma, they have received a wonderful specular microscope, and the eye banking work is picking up by leaps and bounds. A warm welcome, Anil Radhakrishnan ji. You guys have been stupendous in the work of Kamba in Kerala. Thank you for joining. Also welcome from Shankar Netralaya, Mr. Lakshmi Narayana, the manager, deputy manager from Shankar Netralaya, Chennai. A warm welcome. Vanakkam, Lakshmi Narayana Garu. 15,300 eye cornea have been collected. A warm welcome to you. We also have from Vasan Eye Bank, Hyderabad, Arvind Kumar, who is also Hyderabad, Telangana's Kamba convener, a very active, energetic person who is helping Madhav eye banks improve their quality, and is traveling across India. A warm welcome, Arvind. We also have Dr. Charuta Puranik, a cornea surgeon, closely working with the Vasan Eye Bank in Hyderabad. So just yesterday, they crossed 10,000 cornea collection, and it was all over the newspaper and media in Hyderabad. A warm congratulations to you, Arvind Kumar. Hearty congratulations. So we welcome you, Dr. Charuta Patnaik ji, to our fold. Now may I also introduce from Gurgaon, we have Dr. Hitendra Arya, the cornea surgeon. A very good work is happening in the Niramaya Eye Bank. The name itself speaks about the eye bank. More than 2,800 cornea have been collected. Now we have along with us Dr. Prashant Garg, who is from the Ramayama International Eye Institute. 82,000 whopping, I don't know, I mean, LV Prasad is the mother of all babies. Warm welcome, Dr. Prashant Garg, and we look forward to hear from you. We also have Nadal Sirisha. Sirisha ji is from Vijayawada, LV Prasad Eye Institute. A warm welcome from the Tej Kohli Eye Bank. Swagatam Andi, Suswagatam. We have Jyotirmayi Mohanty ji from Drishtidan Eye Bank, LV Prasad, again Bhubaneswar, Odisha. More than 8,700 cornea collected. Jyotirmayi Mohanty ji, swagat hai aapko. We warmly welcome you. Again from Vision India Foundation, Mumbai, we have Dr. Sonia Kothari, who is a young cornea surgeon. 1,700 cornea collected from the year 2000. Dr. Kulin Kothari ji, we have met a couple of times, and they are doing wonderful work through the Bombay Site Eye Center and Research Institute. A warm welcome, Dr. Sonia ji and Dr. Kulin Kothari sir. We also have Mr. Abhinit Jain, the eye bank manager from Visakhapatnam. Very good work. Moshin Eye Bank and LVPI have joined hands. More than 9,600 cornea collected since 2001. Wonderful to have you here. Now, last but not the least, one of the most important persons in our forum today, Shri B.L. Sharma ji, a retired IAS officer. A similar team of retired officers have all come together to start a wonderful eye bank called the Eye Bank Society of Rajasthan, which is a community-driven eye bank. Since 2002, they are running more than 14,000 cornea, more than 65% utility rate. And Dr. Swati Tomar is working with them. A warm welcome, B.L. Sharma ji. We are so glad you're here. May I also introduce Kailash Girwalkar ji from Latur, who is a retired army commander, and out of passion, he is running an eye collection center in Latur, which has collected 265. I visited the center. Very enthusiastic person. retired but not tired. We also have from Lata Mangeshkar Eye Bank, Dr. Rekha Khandelwal, who is in charge of the Eye Bank. More than 800 eyes collected. A warm welcome. I think we also have Dr. Kulkarni, who is working here. A warm welcome to the Nagpur team. We also have from Nagpur, Mahatme Eye Bank. Since 2009, they have established and 1800 cornea collected. Dr. Neha Namdev, who is the medical officer there, a warm welcome to you. We also have Sri Shankardev Netralaya from Guwahati. We visited 2 years back. Dr. Agarwal sir has joined us, who is the cornea surgeon and in charge of the eye bank from the Shankardev Netralaya Guwahati. A warm welcome to the Shankardev team from the Guwahati. We have, last but not the least, Dr. M.M. Joshi ji, Padma Shri awardee, founder of the M.M. Joshi Eye Institute, Guru Mahapatiraj Eye Bank from Hubli. More than 10,000 cornea collected, and since 1979 they are functioning. We are so glad that Joshi ji has joined us today. It is really very proud moment for all of us. Jairaman ji from Nayan Jyoti, Bangalore, who creates awareness and works with Rotary. And Nayan Jyoti is a wonderful SMS system that they are working. We are also having Modern Eye Bank Nellore, who have collected 3,700 cornea. Dr. Lalita Shivajyoti ji, a warm welcome, a cornea surgeon from Nellore. So thank you for joining us, Jairaman ji and Shivajyoti ji. We have from Bhopal Seva Sadan, 2000 year it was established and more than 3,000 cornea collected. Dr. Prerna Upadhyay ji, medical director, a warm welcome. We have Srimati Uma Jhawar from Indore, who has been one of the rock solid people behind us. 9,500 cornea collected. Dr. Neeta Kumar, Dr. Vishwanath, Dr. Nikhil Gokhale, Dr. Uma Sridhar from Delhi, Dr. V.S. Sangwan, Dr. Paras Mehta, and Dr. Hemant Sinha from Bhopal. All of you are warmly welcome. The State Program Officer has been rock solid in Madhya Pradesh behind all our work. Thank you very much, all of you.